Let me warn you that this toast recipe is going to be one of your favorites after you finish watching this video. In today's video, we are making honey butter toast. Did you hear the crunch in the beginning? Yeah. If you are a toast person like myself, I am sure you're going to get hooked. So please come along and let's get started. So for this recipe, I'll be using salted butter. This was not in the fridge, so it's a bit soft, okay? And I'm going to add just a sprinkle of sugar. So for this recipe, the sugar is just going to help caramelize what we are going to use. You see that later, okay? And then the most, or one of the most important ingredients, honey, okay? So what I'm going to be doing next is to mix everything up together to combine beautifully. For today's recipe, I'm using brown bread or wheat bread. So the people in my house said do not eat the bread again because for some reason we made a mistake and bought it, okay, and they prefer white bread basically. But I love wheat bread, but unfortunately I take it only or I enjoy it only when it's fresh. And this is probably about 3 days after we bought that bread, and I was like, no, I need to revamp it, okay. So this is me trying to make the best out of the bread that the household rejected. So with the butter, honey, sprinkle of sugar mixture, I'm going to smear one part of the bread completely, okay? And of course, I'll not leave out the sides. In fact, that's the part of the bread I enjoy most. Some people prefer to cut it off, but for way. So after spreading it beautifully, I'm going to go ahead and get to the fire. So let me explain something before we get there. So for the heat, you're looking at very low heat. So this is my small gas top or the smallest one on my stove top. I'm going to reduce the fire and then place my frying pan on it. So my bread will go into the pan with the buttered side touching the base of the pan, like you can see in the video, okay? And then in the pan, I'm going to go ahead and butter the other side as well. So leave it on low heat for about 5 minutes and then you flip to the other side. So the side I just flipped onto was not toasted at all, but because of the heat from the bottom of the pan, it had started to melt the butter a bit. That's why you saw it was a bit brown, but yeah, it was now touching the base of the pan, okay? So of course, don't forget the sides as well. So once it's browned to your preference, just take it out and then we'll do the other one. I'm just realizing at this point that I have not told you that I'm making this 2 ways, but of course it's in the title, okay? So you can figure it out. So the first toast is done. For the second method, which we are going to jump right into, as always, just a sprinkle of sugar to help with the caramelization and crunch of the bread, and then add your salted butter. Allow this to melt on low heat, okay? And then also add your honey. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. So, like I mentioned earlier, once your sugar and butter has melted, add in your honey. And honestly, I prefer the second method. That's just because it gives it a better coating. Okay. It's just more stressful to do the first method. Well, from what I think, okay. If you've watched the video till this end, thank you so much. Please do me a favor and click on the like button for me, okay? And also let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you going for method one or method two, okay? So for our second method, this is what we are doing. We are putting the bread into the mixture and then give it just about 5 seconds and flip it, okay? Because it would have absorbed that side, okay? And once you flip it, allow that side to toast before you turn it over. Like I said in the beginning or earlier, I prefer this method because I mean, you just forget about smearing the butter onto the bread. It's just really stressful for me that way, okay? And just like that, our second slice of bread or toast is ready. Of course, the name is honey butter toast, so you can add more butter, but what I'll be doing is to be adding a bit more honey to it. Okay, and this was so good. You won't believe I had this for brunch, but just for a twist, every time French toast, I'm sure the kids are tired. Okay, just switch things up and then enjoy this honey butter toast. Let me know what you think about the recipe in the comment section. Also, share this video on your way out. And until we meet again, as always, keep blooming.